In this rapid-fire video, we'll quickly demonstrate how the legs and the threaded shaft for the adjustable stool are produced using Legacy's Maverick CNC machine. The parts are designed and programmed using Legacy's conversational cam turning software and Vectric's CAD CAM software. Before we jump in, I want to mention a few resources that may assist you in your CNC journey. If you're looking for project plans for your CNC, jump on over to our online store listed on our website. Just click the link above. If you're looking into purchasing a Legacy CNC machine and want to see one in action, you're always welcome to visit our manufacturing facility here in Springville, Utah. But you can also find and register for CNC workshops that are hosted by Legacy associates around the country. Just click the link above to view a full list of upcoming workshops. Feel free to contact any associate and find out when they will be hosting a CNC workshop or schedule a one-on-one demonstration with you. Now let's get back to the good stuff, starting with producing the legs. All the blanks, including the legs, are secured in the machine with a storyboard fixture table. This simplifies the setup procedure and makes it easier to reproduce this project at any time. To learn more about the setup table, click the link above. The precision of the CNC will ensure the pin alignment holes are perfect for flipping the parts over. On the second side, we round over the edges and then cut the leg out. This double-sided technique completely eliminates the need for a router table and other shop tools. Everything is machined on the CNC, including the dovetail joinery. To machine the sliding dovetail joinery, the leg is mounted to the vertical table. This standard feature of the Maverick CNC eliminates the need for secondary tools and difficult setups when machining on the ends or edges of the parts. Next, let's take a look at how easy it is to machine the threaded shaft using the turning center. This part is programmed using Legacy's conversational cam turning software. Once the part is turned round, we use the same surface planing bit available from magnate.net to turn the round tenon. In the rapid-fire adjustable stool seat video, you'll see how we machine the matching round mortise in the bottom of the seat. To machine the threads, we used a 90-degree V-bit and programmed the 4 threads per inch to match the threaded nuts. The Maverick CNC features 3 independent workstations. This allows you to quickly and easily produce repeatable complex components like the legs and the threaded shaft for the adjustable stool. Make sure to check out the other rapid-fire videos for this adjustable stool to see how to carve the seat and machine the threaded nuts, including the dovetail joinery to complete this project. We used Vectric's Aspire CAD CAM software to program the legs, threaded nuts, and the carved seat. Aspire allows you to easily program double-sided parts, as you can see here. We also used Legacy's conversational cam turning software to program the threaded shaft and the matching internal threads for the nuts. In CCAM workshops across the country, we demonstrate how to program the parts, and then you'll get a chance to see the machines in action. Legacy also hosts weekly training webinars where Legacy customers learn how to program projects like this adjustable stool. This training is free to our customers. We are also currently building a video vault that will have hundreds of projects and tutorial videos. Watch for more information coming soon. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, then like, comment, and share it with your friends, fellow woodworkers, and CNC users. This makes it possible for us to create more content like this for you. To be notified when new videos are released, press that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Also be sure to visit Legacy's online store by clicking the link above or the link in the video description below. Here you can purchase project CAD drawings that can be used with any CAD CAM software, or complete CAD CAM project plans for Vectric's VCarve Pro and Aspire software, as well as Legacy's CCAM turning software. Last, Legacy associates host CNC workshops all around the country where you can learn how to program a wide range of projects and experience hands-on demonstrations. This is also a great opportunity to network with other CNC users. To find a workshop near you, watch the CNC workshop video by clicking the link above or the link in the video description below. Here are the links again. To learn more about Legacy and how to get involved in the Legacy community, watch the Legacy CNC story video by clicking right here. You can find and register for a workshop near you by watching the CNC workshop video by clicking down there. To get access to the training video vault, click up here. Also, subscribe to Legacy's channel by clicking down here. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.